Welcome back to Euro Truck Simulator 2 with me, Chili Smith, driving for Sweet Trucko. Part 40. Not sure. 46 or 47, one of the two. It's Christmas Eve. Got all Christmas shopping done. Got tomorrow's dinner almost cooked ready, so we haven't got it cooked tomorrow, we can just eat it, which is quite nice. Right, so job 46 or 47, not sure. I know that we are currently in Varna, I believe, not near Varna. We went from Ruse to Varna. We just took a yacht, good money. Going back, don't really want to go somewhere we've already been. Galati, we can go through into Romania. What's that? It's another yacht. That's exactly the same yacht as we took. Going to logging sticks, logging company or something. What is it? High value, fragile. A wheel loader to been there. Pleven been there. Not many jobs to choose from. Oh, not many at all. Pleven, right, we have to go up to Romania, aren't we? Okay, so we take the yacht. Where's he going? Been there. Up to there. That's the only place we've not been, so we're going back up to Romania in a Varna. It will take us through Mangalia, round Constanta, of course to Galati. So let's do that one. Good payer, 26,000 an hour, and that should take us up to, oh sorry, 8,000 payer. So that'll take us, just, as long as I don't crash or damage the truck. Right, let's get on with it. Christmas Eve drive. Christmas Eve evening. Hello. It's a Renault. Don't you know? Oh. Excuse me. Say hello to Douglas.
Let's do this.
Let's do this, Dougie boy. So look at that big boat on the back of me wagon. Ooh, look at that. Swanky. I got a boat, I got a big boat. Quite wide sides, isn't it? Beware of that one, don't bash it. Look at that. Ooh. Right, when we got to get it there by expected 3 o'clock Monday, I've got 4 hours. Better crack on. We've got at latest 9 o'clock, so let's get on with it, as Dougie would say. Let's have a look where we're going first. That might help. Straight on. Boom, 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 boom. Think it'll be alright for fuel. Do you think we'll be alright for fuel? I can always grab some on the way, can't we? Okay, there's a speed limit here, I don't think I have to. My left here.
Turn left.
Yeah. Anything coming? No. This is cool, look at the industrial estate. Milk crates. Have a look around the cab. Quite nice, isn't it? I think I've had these Renaults before. All the way to the end. by the looks of it. Not saying much, Doug. Not giving me much of a heads up, mate. I don't know what the speed limit is. What's the speed limit? Oh, here we go. Boom, 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 boom. Out onto the open road. Who's left the Volvo there? Thanks, buddy. Is there anyone in there? Blackout windows. Probably automatic these days, isn't it?
Get ready to turn left. Turn left.
Is that this side of the road? Left. Around there? Are they letting me out? Is that what they're doing? Is this the left you're talking about, Dougie? Up here. I hope I'm doing this right. Don't want to hit the cars and we... Ooh, we're getting round. Yeah, we're alright. I think we're going the right direction. It's not said routing. So, I think we're all gravy, baby. I think we're all gravy. Check our mirrors before we pull out. We're all good. That's better. I think we're sticking right and going right.
Keep right, and then exit right.
There you go. Thanks, Doug. Because I'm looking at the map and that.
Exit right.
That blue car would have been on the inside of me and wouldn't have been good. Mangalia. I wonder if we've got to do the I wonder if this border's the same as the last border when we came across from
At the roundabout, take the first exit.
I'm going for it.
Exit now.
I'm going for it. Don't hit my boat. There we go. Bit better. What's this dragging at 7 then? I was going to go over 50. I better keep my eye on them traffic lights. They say suddenly change. Yeah, damn shame, just having the brakes on now. Breaking the law there. I like the little buildings and the
Keep right.
derelict stuff. As well as the good stuff. I'm going
At the
right here.
roundabout, take the first exit.
Train. Nothing on the right. There's
Exit
no.
now.
There wasn't a road coming in from the left, so I didn't have to look.
Go straight.
I'm going straight. I just hope nothing's crashing into the sides of me because they have a tendency. And I'll need a wee while we're going past the garage. Get yourself a coffee. Right, we can't go over 50 yet. Do a wiggly bit in it.
At the roundabout, take the first exit.
First exit, so we're going up there. Can't see anything.
Exit now.
Those things that's up there, you know, orange and red, they were lit up last night. Looked really cool.
Go straight.
Thanks, Dougie. Right, how far we got? 318 kilometres. Looks like we're going to be due at 5 o'clock in the afternoon. Which is
Keep right, and then turn right.
2 hours behind schedule. Well, bang on schedule, really. Thinking about it.
Turn right.
So you want it. Don't want it last thing, because I'll be like, oh, look, it turned up right at the end and now we've got to unload it, and no. So you want to get it there during work hours. It's a nice shiny boat, I must say. Bus stops with advertisements, parking cars. Haven't seen any pedestrians yet. Monday, more or less midday, you'd think there'd be someone about somewhere. pootling along until we get on the motorway, isn't it, really? Can we change gear then? Yeah, eventually. Barrels. Rusty barrels. Ooh, curbed it a little bit there. Not so bad though, not so bad. Look like an old Rover, that one. Right, we're going to go right here, I think. Not quite. A bit further. Don't want to scrape the side of the boat on the bridge wall. Do we? It's quite a sharp bend, this. I don't think I have to... Oh, I took out a post. I think we're right. I don't think we got penalised for it. Are we going round here? No, we're going up here.
Get ready to turn right.
Yeah, wait for Doug to say something. Good move. Can't see anything coming.
Turn right.
Oh, wait. I think so. Trying to keep it right in the middle of it. Oh, indicate out. And we're away. Look at that, we've not tested the horn. Oh god, it's like an old Casio keyboard. I had one when I was like 13. Casio piano keyboard, handheld it was. If you got one now, they're quite rare to have in working order. They sold millions. Buttons used to stick, so everyone threw them away. If I'm right in saying, I think a band called, who was it? Damon Albarn. Oh, Gorillas, that's it. They did a track. And there was a... Now you have set patterns or set tunes, like within a... Hang on, concentrate. Like in a bank for sort of demonstration mode, and it would play a tune like that. Well, apparently they used one of the actual Casio keyboard demo for one of their tracks. I'm sure it was a #1. It was a big hit. But yeah, that's what they built it for. Pretty metal. Rubbish on the road, just throwing it out your cab window. It's terrible. Can I see your papers, please? It's not Germany, it's Romania. Don't know what it sound like in Romania. No one here. Not very well armed, manned, armed. Start in border checks. She'll pull off in 4th. Everything is in order. Have a nice journey. Thank you, my mate. Ooh, 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 ooh. That boat nearly hit that barrier. I've been going it. Drag the barrier down the street. Pull away. I think it's a gendarme behind me as well. What's Romanian police called? Policia. Not sure what the speed limit is because it's not told me for a while. Don't hit that post. Don't hit the post. Don't hit the boat. Well done. Thought we'd done it all. We've got another bit here. More papers, please. Oh, that's papers to get out and papers to get in. Okay, so I want to see. Oh, there is. He's having a smoko. Look, he's having a smoko. Oh, mate. No smoke, mate. I don't know. These border guards sitting around. Got 2 minutes yet. Break's over. Everything's in order. Have a nice journey. Thank you. I'll try. We've got to go straight on, Dougie. You're not saying much, Douglas. I've got right of way. Don't want to look too much because it puts me off driving. Right, here we go. Right, we're not lost any time. We're still going for 5:30. Oh, got a nice cup of tea going cold on the side. I have to have a slurp, I'm afraid. Excuse me. Please, please, please. They were funky cars. They look pretty quick. I'm going up the gears. I'm just had a swig of tea, so I had one hand on the steering wheel, one hand on my muggo. Right, 80 down this little narrow road. Better not go too quick because it looks quite sweepy around here. I don't want to tip it over into someone's garden. Oh, 50. That's good enough for me. Look at that for driving. Silky smooth. There's a big boat. Is it a big boat? I think it's a big boat. Yeah, it's a big boat. Looks like a boat. I'm not looking because I'll crash on a bend into that lorry of highly flammable chemicals and my boat will blow up. Beastman, please man, Babylon. To my Mangalia discovered. That's another one ticked off the box. Not that we're going in or staying, but maybe come back to that at some other point later in the game. Let's get over in this lane here because I think we're turning right. Oh, we're turning right, Dougie. Not saying much. It's just a natural turn. Train track. Like, there's no trains coming. There's no barriers on that. Oh my god. Bridge with boats and things. Let's have a quick look. Not too much of a quick look. That's pretty, look. It's awesome, pretty awesome. Are they look like Navy boats, they do. Romanian Navy. Awesome. Had turrets on them and everything. Get that speed down. Look at that. That's like a glue. Am I turning left up here,
Keep
Douglas?
left,
Yeah.
then turn left.
Better wait for that caravan trailer. There we go.
Turn left.
Did my right away. It's like they're giving it me. Don't crash into my boat. Not my boat. I'm just taking it somewhere for my mate. Well, not my mate. My employer. Where am I taking it to? What's the name of the place? I'll have a look at me going a bit of a straight, which is just around the corner here. Don't want to burn dust too quick. Still 50. We're exiting Mangalia. 80. Right, let's get on this straight and have a quick look at the company we're going to. Log and Stick in Galati. The Log and Stick. It must be a dock. Must be a dock of some sort. 70. I mean, drop it down to 9. Let's have a bit of bit of big bridge. Is it famous? Oh, tanker. Pulled out of me. What a tanker. I'll have to overtake him for that. Hopefully he'll be up to speed by the time I get to him. Looks like he's got sunflower oil or something on the back. They're nice clean waters, aren't they? Oh, that's close to the sides. Yeah. That'll do for the looking around. Got a roundabout.
Go straight.
Roundabout to manoeuvre. Bum 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 bum. Excuse me. Cough a Harooni.
At the roundabout, take the third exit.
Right, where's he going? I'm going for it. Don't crash into me, don't crash into me, don't crash into me. Third exit. Okay.
Keep right.
This one. No. Not that one. This one.
Exit now.
That's the problem with having your ignition button on the same as your indicator. Turns the engine off sometimes. One's a click and one's a press and hold. And obviously I pressed and held it that time. Right, 222 kilometres to go, kilometres to go, kilometres to go. We're going to be there at 6 now. We've lost half an hour somewhere. It's just my bad driving. It's cost us half an hour. Or surely I'll go faster so I've got... You're not going to come out at me, are you? No. Look at this.
Keep right.
Keep right. Right. Turn the engine off again. Dear. So holding my finger on it too long. I'm going in that lane so you can go overtake me, my friend. Mind you, why are they going in the left lane? Maybe they're turning left up. There's no left. We're supposed to be on that side. Don't smash your boat up. So you come back on the inside now. I'm going left up here, maybe they are as well. He's back in that lane now. Well,
Keep
don't make
left.
any sense. Oh, we're going way too fast. Let's slow it down a bit. That's it.
At the
Slow
roundabout,
it down.
take
Stop.
the second exit.
Second exit. Oh, look at him on the inside of me. Dirty, dirty, dirty. Gotta watch them buggers
Exit
on
now.
roundabouts, tell you. That's better. Don't think I even curbed it then. To going down to 50, we're going up somewhere. Oh, divvy. However you say that, I'm not sure. So I look across the river. Oh, is that a dam? It is. Cool. Ah. Diggers. Tractors. We're all right for fuel, I think. We're all right for sleeping. Well, they might be tired by the time we get there. Just keep your eye on the speed limits down here because we'll jump from 80 to 50 quickly. Bit of a sharp end. Let's not tip over. Would it tip over? Not very heavy. Apparently it's quite expensive. Paying me a lot of money to take it there. It's 163. Galati is where we're going. Windmills. Start saying no overtaking. Slow down a bit. Can go over 89th then, that's pretty impressive. This is my favourite truck, I think it is, the Renault. Although one of the Scanias are quite nice to drive. He's got cars, look. He's got a motorhome. Ooh, narrow bit. That's a bit unexpected. Must have had a jumper. Corded it off, put flowers down. Oh, that's horrible. Talk like that, Christmas Eve. Bridge. Yellow bridge. Quite nice out here, scenery, look. Cornfields, yellow cornfields. That'll be a cabbage. What's that? It's like cauliflower. Potatoes.
Keep left.
Romanian
turn
potatoes. They're known for potatoes, are they? Slow it down, 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 because it's here, I think.
Turn left.
It is here. Quite open, these roads, aren't they? Quite wide. Oh, I think we need the lights on. There we go, lights are on. Don't want a light penalty. Come on then, change gear, thank you. Don't mind going up too. Dr. King. I've got paddles on the steering wheel, but they don't seem to respond when I try and click on them to have them as a button. Not sure why. Because that would be great for the indicators. Indicators. Oh, indicators. Indicators. Gumby. We've 40 minutes we've lost just because I'm not driving up to speed, I think. It's best to be over cautious, isn't it? You don't want to be messing up. Hello, dog. Oh, dog just woofed. I looked over at the dog. Not sure what she's woofing at. Her own shadow. My friend's dog, she's gone on a Caribbean cruise. She's currently in St Kitts. So we've got her two little dogs for I think 15, 16 days over Christmas, New Year. So yeah, she's having a great time. She sent us a WhatsApp. Here's one for you. 50, get down them gears. That's better. Slowly, slowly, catchy monkey. Get there in your own time, just in time.
Get ready to turn left.
Not yet. Here.
Turn left and then turn right.
Turn left and then turn right.
Turn right.
Up here. Bit confusing, this Dougie. Here. Is it really computing? It's not here, is it? No. That's funny. Oh dear. Can I sweep this round? Make sure I don't hit anything. Little shop there, look. Don't hit the barrier, don't hit the chair. That was a bit confusing, that was, to be honest. Oh, I think I've crippled my cab. Oh. I think I've just bent the boat. Oh, I think I have to reverse. Oops, a daisy, I'm stucco. Just reverse. Reverse, reverse. Other way, other way, other way. I've done it again. I've stuck it up. Stuck it. That's not good, you know. That is not good. Right. We've definitely lost time now. We've gone totally the wrong way into an industrial estate of some sort, and now I've got stuck trying to turn the truck around. Great. Why does it feel like that's not turning properly? Oh, just get through. Go on, go on, go on, go on, go on, go on, go on. Go on. I think that was called pushing the trailer with my cab somehow, or pushing the. So I'm going this way, am I? No, I'm facing the wrong way now.
Never mind. I'll find a new route.
Oh, I've gone the wrong way, Doug. What have I done? I'm really confused. Constanta. I'm going that way. That's the wrong way as well, so it's not this way. Okay. It's always an adventure with Chili Smith, isn't it? Where am I supposed to be going? Camper van. It's nice, isn't it? Ooh, swish. Over there? On that boat? That thing? I think it is, you know. That's why I got confused. Don't even look like I'm getting on a boat. I didn't even realise I was getting on a boat. That's what's confused me. Cool. There he is, the Chihui. Chihiu. Chihiu. Not Chihui. I'll just block everyone, eh? Stick it on here. Oh, that's cool. Is that the place to go? Is there any place to go?
Rerouting.
Right. We've been on a boat.
Turn left.
Wasn't expecting that. That was cool. I've been on a boat, on my truck with a boat. Use a breadfruit. Oh, excellent. I've got to unlock. Right. Pay a bit more attention to where I'm going, I think. I don't think that was my fault, to be fair. It was a bit confusing. I wasn't expecting to go on a boat, so I wasn't expecting to head towards the sea. We're all up for fuel, just getting a bit tired. We're now at 7:30. Oh, we might be late, you know. Look out for trains.
Get ready to turn right.
That's busy traffic, that.
Turn right.
I'm going to in a minute. Just make sure nothing's going to hit me. Because they're going at speed, they are. Oh, I'm going for it. Oh, I took out another post. He weren't stopping. Someone hit me. Oh dear. It's all going terribly wrong. This is brilliant. What a game. What a simulation. Got the gear, come. Or two, why don't you? Ah, so close yet so far away. Oh, 51. And they're 50. There we go. I was 2 seconds away from going 82. Look. Bit mean, I thought. Right. less than 50 clicks, 7:30. What's the latest it can be there? 9:45. We're laughing, we've got plenty of time. I thought it was 8:45. 8:45. So we should be okay. As long as we don't come across any stopped traffic. What's that stopped for? Oh, we've just missed a train. Oh, that would have been quite cool, wouldn't it? See what was on the train. Never mind. I'm sure there'll be other trains. Anyway, I hope you're having a good Christmas Eve. Don't overdo it tonight and spoil tomorrow, eh? Anyone go out drinking anymore Christmas Eve? I used to work in bars and nightclubs, so... What are you waiting for? I don't think there's a train coming. Because the lights would be flashing, it'd be going ding dong ding dong ding dong ding dong ding ding. Right, let's get this boat to its destination. Oh, look at that, there's a big wheel anchor on the thing. Must be a big port town. Bridges. Buildings. 33 kilometres to go. Is that nets to stop debris falling or people jumping again? They've got a thing about that around here, haven't they? I've got a really sharp coming up. Better with the gear changing and the speedo. We're all swinging round the corner. To the right.
Keep right, and then exit right.
World of Trucks sign. I haven't got World of Trucks. It's any good.
Exit right.
Don't need it, I've got this. Right. Yeah, let's go.
At the roundabout, take the first exit. Exit now.
Yeah. I was watching the Mount Douglas as well, so that helps. Don't want to fall off the edge here, look. Right, is it at the end here? Looks clear. Swing it around. Are we heading towards a dock? Looks like it, quite industrial, isn't it? Bought a new boat, mate. It's back on cinch. Galati, gelati, I don't know how you say it. Straight on? I think so. Oh, don't hit my boat. I don't know who I'd right away there. I thought it was going to come out at me. Right, I've got a right hand turn up here. 29 kilometres to go. Looks like we're getting there for about 8 o'clock. Signpost 50. Dazzling the eyes.
Turn right.
Right. Okay, cookie. Drop down those gears. Make sure nothing's coming.
Turn right.
I think we're clear there, look. Oh, I've got a beast man behind me, I think. Oh, that'll do. Do you think I damaged my truck when I was turning it round? I'm not sure, you know. Didn't seem to flag anything. Wiggly windy roads.
Keep left, and then turn left. Turn left.
I'm going to when he's gone past. here? Okay. Follow it round, do I? Oh, look at that. That's quite cool. Little pipe bridge. Definitely on an industrial estate of some sort. Train in the distance, I think. It's a tram, look, electric tram. Cool. We're almost there, we're almost there. Almost there, and I've got no hair. He's blue, my legs are gone blue. It's cold. I have to have a rest soon. I think we'll be there before he needs to rest, eh? Good for fuel. Thought we might be. Hope my reversing's okay. It's not going to take me virtual 2 hours to do it. 40. Ooh, dodgy.
Go straight.
Thanks, Doug. Don't pull out on me, please. Thank you. It's late in the evening. I'm going to take a right left at this roundabout and look at it. No point going up in gear and going round a roundabout, so there's a red light on it as well. No, it's just a sign.
Roundabout. Take the second exit.
There's only 2. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh, I had to check then, didn't I? It's worth stopping and not crashing. Definitely worth stopping and not crashing. Try and keep this bad boy in the right direction. Lassie. That's a dog. Lassie dog. What are they called? Oh, this is getting tight now. Better concentrate. Lassie. Oh, almost there, people. Almost there. Any people crossing the road? No, no one about. Must be tea time. Must be having some goulash. Was that Hungarian? Policeman, policeman. Ooh, policewoman, should I say? Look like a woman, that. Very soon.
Get ready to turn left.
Does that mean that it's going to start doing the music? Yeah, or press the wrong button. I was trying to get the different map up. Done it again. What a potato.
Turn left.
I'm going here when the lights go green. Thanks, Doug. Playing music because I'm to the last 2 hours of the delivery. I think that's when it plays it. Right, let's get going. Come on, we're almost there. Round the corner. Oh, pressure on with the music. Don't need to stop.
Get ready to turn right.
Don't need to stop. Don't need to stop. Up there.
Turn right.
Oh. Oops. Not sure what that was. Small child, I think.
Get ready to turn left.
In here? I think we're
Turn
here,
left.
people. We're here. Thank God for that. Logs and sticks logistics.
Here we are.
Thank you.
Kind of on time.
We are on time. It's well within time. Might have to park it easy though. Straight up there. Go on, just get it done, innit? Because it needs dropping quick. about right there. Oh look, wheels, wheels, wheels. Yeah, looking good. Come on then. Here we go. First time. Look at that. Lovely. Drop that trailer. Decoupling. Fantastic that was. Good drive. I hit a few posts, but I don't think there was any damage to the vehicle. Level 13, 20,000 XP now. Getting there, so we get that. Proficiency bonus, we got an extra 1,000, so we're on time. High value, we got 800 for that, and fragile 500. Experience for all of those, and a small one for the trailer. That clock was ticking, it make you panic. Anyway, I think that was episode 36, maybe 36, 46, maybe 47. I think it's 46. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that, and I'll see you in the next one.